What's up guys, we're gonna BroBeatzTV, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to make beats faster so you can sell more beats. So it's gonna be really fast, so pay attention. So 155 BPM, we're gonna go ahead and grab in a scale. You can use any scale for this. This formula will work. Let's do a C sharp minor, and I'm gonna name that for you. Okay, so this is the sound we're gonna use, just one sound. This is bubbly. Okay, in the Newman Bank, all sounds will be linked in the description or comment section down below if you want to check them out. And let's go down here. And I'm gonna just give you the formula just so it'll work anywhere. So all you need is just a chord, right? So a triad, you could put one here. And what we're gonna do is make a chord upward. So let's make a little triad, and then you're gonna take that top note, pull it down an octave, and then you're gonna copy that note, and then you're gonna make a chord up from this one, right? And then what you want to do is leave the fifth. Now the fifth is just the highest note and lowest note of your original chord, right? So you delete that, you leave this, and then you take everything else, and then you can make rhythms out of that. So let's put that into practice. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, and right here we're gonna do the same thing. Make a chord upward, copy that note, pull it down, copy it again, make a chord upward from here. And then we're just gonna shift D and move these notes over. And I'm gonna shift D these two. And we got a quick little melody, and I will just take a note out just to give the illusion that it's a different melody, but it's not. So now we have a 2-bar loop, little melody. That's it. That's all you really need for a beat. So let's go ahead and move on to our 808 or drums. Now we're gonna go ahead and take care of the drums. Again, all of these drum sounds will be linked in the description or comment section down below. So start with the 808. So we're just gonna go ahead and use, we can use our original chord root, which is C sharp for this. Okay, and just do something like this. Let's change this grid to 1/2. And if you want to, you could do something like, watch it. You could do something simple like that, right? For your little bass line. And I'm just throwing these quick little drums. I'm gonna put this on bar so it repeats. I'm gonna turn it up a bit. And then I'm gonna go fill each 2 steps. And I wish there was a way to do this so it didn't go so long, but what we can do is we just add like some little hi-hats in here. And keep in mind, this is a tutorial, right? If I was doing this on my own, I would have been done with the beat by now. So when you're doing this, it'll be a lot faster. You don't have to like talk through making the beat. And let's stretch this one out, chop it up, slide it, and then do something. I kind of want this to skip. Yeah, just like that. All right. And okay, I think that's pretty good. And then yeah, for the 808 pattern, we could change it up now that we have our drums in. Just some a little fitting for the beat. So I'll just play it once or twice through. All right, and keep in mind, this is very fast, very simple. Obviously, if you want to add more, you can, which you probably should. But if you just want to get some done fast, there you go. But that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.